दक्षिण गोंयचे जिल्लोधिकारी तारीक थॉमस हांच्यांनी शेनवारा दाबोळे विमानतळार भेट दिवन विमानतळाच्या पार्किंग प्रश्ना संदर्भात प्राधिकरणाच्या अधिकाऱ्यांबरोबर चर्चा केली। येलो ब्लॅक टॅक्सीवाल्यांक विश्वासात घेवन पार्किंगाचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक जाय म्हण ह्या वेळार दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी थॉमस उलयला। आरडेक्सको खातीर दाबोळेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Airport side you have communicated because this issue is also followed by.
We require alternate land for parking.
So any positive sign?
We will just go and see what is the problem.
Inspection consequently, the issues are there, so it was just an inspection. So after that we will analyze what all we have found out from inspection. Just after inspection it's very difficult to tell. So we'll see what all the options are and then we'll work.
Since it was your first visit, what was the observation with regards to parking?
No, I cannot comment anything. Let's see, once my inspection, now I have to analyze. Once I analyze, I will come at inference. Immediate inferences should not be arrived at. We should carefully discuss and arrive at a proper solution, or even my observations. These are prima facie observations. I will take, analyze, we will all have discussions based upon the environment.
Any solution?
The thing is that it takes time. It's a complex issue, correct? It's a complex issue. It's been there for quite some time. So you have to take some time, discuss, arrive at some solution. It cannot be like I can suddenly give a solution. So today inspection was there, all the authorities are there. It will take some time. Stakeholders are important and they are a very important part of the airport setup. So definitely we will arrive at some solution which takes into account everybody. That now the growth of the airport, number of tourists are increasing. So there is a requirement to address the issue. So after detailed discussions, deliberations, we will ensure that every stakeholder interest is taken into consideration.
आम्ही रिप्रेझेंट दिला। आम्ही 25 वर्सां आमी जे डिमांड करता पार्किंग आनी येलो ब्लॅक त्या न्यू जनरल बिल्डिंग एअरपोर्ट स्टार्ट जाला तेन्ना जर आमी डे वनाचे अजून मेरेन टील टायम आमी गव्हर्मेंटान जावं डिपार्टमेंटान पार्किंग मागिता। सो आयज कलेक्टर येयलो, कलेक्टर कोणत्या रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हान दिल्लें आसा पार्किंग खातीर आनी परत ऑब्जेक्शन केल्लें कोण न्यू जे ॲप टॅक्सी येता खातीर तें ऑब्जेक्शन आमी केल्लें की तिंगा तें स्लीप मारता न्हू म्हणून। ताणें कलेक्टर आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला की डेफिनेटली आपूण आमकां आपयता म्हणून सांगला तेणी फुडल्या येवन आपल्या म्हटल्यार पार्किंग इशू आपूण सॉल्व करता म्हणून सांगला तेणी।